What's going on, everyone? My name is Steven with Romano Subaru, and today we are going through our multi-point inspections. When you bring your Subaru in for service, you always hear us talking about multi-point inspections. But what does that actually mean for you? Let's break it down. Think of it as a comprehensive health check for your vehicle. Our factory-trained technicians aren't just looking for broken parts, they're checking wear and tear. We look under the hood at your fluids and battery health. We get underneath your car to inspect your suspension, and we look at your exhaust system. The most critical part, your safety items. We measure your tire tread depth and your brake pad thickness down to the millimeter. This isn't about finding things to sell you, it's about giving you an accurate baseline of how much life your car actually has left. We lay it all out in an easy video to go over. Green means you're good, yellow means it's something to monitor for your next visit so you can budget ahead, and red means it needs immediate attention for safety. No guesswork, no surprises. The multi-point inspection is all about making sure your Subaru runs like a Subaru. So if you have any questions at all, leave it in the comments, let us know, and we will see you next time you're in the drive.